Hi, I'm Ishana Passi and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Today we're going to learn how to make a fasting apple halwa. Fasting apple halwa is a sweet North Indian pudding that is made out of grated apple and almonds. It is a North Indian dessert that is made during Navratris. The ingredients needed for the apple halwa are 3 grated apples, 1/3 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon sliced almonds, 1/3 teaspoon saffron strands, half a teaspoon cardamom powder or cardamom seeds, and 2 tablespoons ghee. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan and roast the almonds. Once the almonds are roasted, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Next, add the grated apples to the pan and stir fry on low flame for about 5 minutes. Now add in the sugar and stir it well until the sugar starts melting and is fully dissolved. Add in the saffron threads and give it a good mix. Once fully mixed, add in the cardamom seeds or cardamom powder and keep mixing well. Keep stirring the halwa on low flame for 5 to 10 more minutes. Once it starts leaving the sides of the pan, add in the roasted almonds and combine well. Serve the halwa warm. Enjoy your apple halwa.